A properly selected media player is one of the keys to success of any digital signage project. While modern SoC displays allow the use of software players, external hardware devices are still high in demand on the market for a number of objective reasons. Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel and you're on the Look Digital Signage channel, where we talk about everything related to digital screens in one way or another. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell to be first to know about the new videos. And now to the point. We have recently expanded our line of reliable and affordable hardware media players. As an entry-level option, the Look HD-2222 Lite comes to replace the legendary Look HD-2214, discontinued at the end of last year. This is a slightly lighter version of our current flagship model, capable of efficiently handling both basic and more complex digital signage scenarios. And today we'll figure out how exactly these two versions of the same model differ and in what cases we recommend choosing one or another of them. We will do it without unboxing, usual for such videos, since the packaging is almost identical and it would not be entirely reasonable to waste our time on this stage. Everything will be short and to the point. Well, let's start with the specifications. The comparison table is in front of you. At first glance, everything is as identical as possible. The reliable 4-core Rockchip RK3568 with GPU ARM G52 2EE is responsible for performance in both cases. Both devices support 4K content and are equipped with passive cooling system. It's also worth noting that thanks to Look custom firmware, both devices are plug and play and ready to go straight out of the box. The housing and interfaces are completely identical. In fact, guys, we have only 3 differences here. As you can see, the size of RAM and storage on the new device is 2 and 16 GB respectively, which is exactly half as much as the flagship model. Of course, this can make a difference when operating devices with complicated load scenarios. It's also worth taking storage size into account if you plan to use a lot of high-definition videos. Well, another difference is the Wi-Fi version. If on the top model it is Wi-Fi 6, then in case of the Lite version, the earlier Wi-Fi 5 is installed. In terms of performance, the difference is that Wi-Fi 6 can transfer 4K 8K VR and other large broadband video files at 40% faster than Wi-Fi 5. Actually, this might be an important point if in your project you're going to use Wi-Fi as an internet option and play scenarios with high-definition streaming video. Here, the performance of the flagship model will look slightly better. Now to the testing. We tried both devices with our standard scenarios. The results are on the screen. I must say that we didn't notice any critical difference in the level of performance. So let's briefly summarize. We recommend choosing a more powerful flagship model if you plan to use high-load scenarios with several items of streaming content playing simultaneously, especially if you use a wireless network for your internet connection. For simpler use cases, the Lite version will be quite sufficient. And the best news for today is that official worldwide sales of these devices at a nice price of $129 have already started. The flagship version, of course, is also available for order. So why don't you visit our online store and make your choice right now? The link is down in the description below. And that is all I have for today. Please put the thumbs up if this video was useful for you. And my name is Gabriel. Take care. See you in the next videos. Bye.